Hi you guys, thanks so much for stopping by my video today. I am doing a really fun video for you. It is in collaboration with Jessica Myrose, and we are doing a Valentine's Day theme video. And it is Valentine haul, things you got for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to add on some Valentine's muffins that I'm going to make for the boys. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got, but first, make sure you check out Jessica's channel. I'm going to put a link to it in the description box. She has such a fun channel, 2 little boys just like me, so we have a lot in common, and I just love her channel. It is wonderful. And there will also be a playlist. I will link it in the description box. Also, you can check out everyone's videos that's doing this fun Valentine's Day haul. So it's really great, and I wanted to share with you guys, I got some things from Target. I had to get a new pink shirt. It was only $6, so how could I resist a brand new pink shirt for Valentine's Day? But I also got the boys these little matching shirts. They can kind of be boys and girls, I think, but super cute for Valentine's, so I got one for each of the boys. I'll put a link to these in the description box. From Target, they were $6. They're so cheap, so $6 for these, $6 for my pink shirt, so definitely can't be beat. And then I picked up the boys' Valentines for school and daycare. And Target has the best stuff and so reasonable. $4 for each of these packs. And this is for Benjamin. These are for Zachary. But so this one's a really fun, just a Valentine's for all their friends at school. And you just pop out the little football or the basketball or baseball, and you just, it makes a little like goal post, so it's fun for the kids. It'll keep them entertained for a minute or two. Zachary's Spider-Man comes with these little Spider-Man tattoos. So these are really fun, some kind of little activity for the kids other than eating a whole bunch of sugar. I will get these ready for the boys for school, but super cute and such awesome finds at Target. $4. I will link these as well. There's still time if you need to get some Valentines for your kids. These shirts, so cute. I'm so glad I found these. So this is what I got for the boys for Valentine's Day. And then I'm going to make these in these heart silicone little muffin molds. You guys know I love my regular silicone muffin molds. But these are so fun and perfect, so I got these for Valentine's Day. I got these ones off of Amazon, and they are so cute and so festive for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to make some blender muffins, and I'm going to do a chocolate chip blender muffin, have these for the boys for Valentine's Day, and I will share with you my recipe. But I love blender muffins because they're so easy. You just throw all the ingredients in, blend it up, and then you could just pour it into the cute little heart muffin molds. So perfect for Valentine's. Hope that you guys enjoy this one. I hope that you have a really great Valentine's Day. And I will link this stuff in the description box if you want to check it out, if you need to get some little Valentine's shirts for your kids, or if you want to check out this really simple $6 little pink t-shirt for Valentine's. Super festive, so I'll put links to that. I'll also put links to these awesome silicone heart-shaped muffin molds. And don't forget to check out in the description box the playlist of everyone who's doing this. There's going to be so many awesome ideas for Valentine's Day gifts and Valentine's Day decorations and everything. So check out that playlist and check out Jessica's channel. It's wonderful. So I'm going to set this stuff aside, and I'm going to get my blender muffins ready to go, and they're just going to be so cute in these heart muffin molds. All right, I love blender muffins. So I have my blender and 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, and I'm going to use 2 ripe bananas. So these muffins are so healthy, you guys. It is just really simple ingredients, no crazy sugar or flour or anything, and they come out so good. I love making these for the kids, but I love them as well because they're super healthy and just really easy also. So I'm going to use 2 eggs now. And then I'm going to add everything else in. I have all the other ingredients, but I'm going to wait and hold off on the chocolate chips. I have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. But I'm going to wait for the chocolate chips until this is all blended up. I have a 1/4 cup of sugar-free syrup. I'm using a 1/4 cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk if you'd like. Either one is just fine. I have a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to blend this all up. And then I have it all blended. It's nice and smooth. I'm going to add in, you can do about a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using little mini chocolate chips because I think that they're super fun. But you can use regular chocolate chips or sugar-free. I have my silicone heart molds. I love these, and they're so perfect for Valentine's Day. Like I said earlier, I will put a link to these in the description box. I got them on Amazon, and I just love silicone muffin molds because you don't have to spray them with cooking spray. They're just so easy for cleanup. And I just set them on top of my cookie sheet because I like to fill up the whole cookie sheet with the mini muffin tin molds as I can. I'm just going to pour the batter into each one, and then my oven is preheated right now to 350 degrees, and these are going to cook for about 17 to 19 minutes, and then they will be ready to go, and they are so healthy and so delicious. All right, so these heart-shaped blender muffins are all done. So easy. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I just love just throwing everything in the blender, and they are super healthy with just the oats, banana, and not a lot of added sugar. So did add the chocolate chips this time for a little extra treat because it's Valentine's Day. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box to check out everyone's Valentine videos, and also check out Jessica's channel, Jessica Myrose. Thank you, Jessica, so much for hosting this collaboration. I love doing collaborations with you. They are awesome. I just love the ideas that you think of. So I can't wait to keep doing them with you. So everyone check out Jessica's channel. It will be linked in the description box right below. If you are new to my channel, please click subscribe. Click the bell button next to subscribe, and you will get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of meal prepping videos coming up, but I had to throw this fun Valentine's Day video in for you. Don't forget also to check the links in the description box if you want to check out those cute shirts that I got from Target. They're awesome and can't be beat at $6. So just love them. So I'm going to put a link to them in the description box. I hope that you all have a really great day. Hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.